My name is Karim Zangaba, and today I am going to present my midterm on an Excel spreadsheet. This is the data that I used to work on it. But anyway, by the time that I've been doing it, it got to the point where I made it to become a table. But first sheet is about charts, and I use the data to just go straight to the charts, and then I even do the call out on these charts, and other one you could just use different format and designs so that it will look like this. So right here is this is a sea level rise in the meter, and this is the percentage of agricultural area inundated. And the third one is the pivot tables. I thought it's good to do the pivot tables so that you kind of like it's almost like you kind of like filtering the data. And here is my dashboard. Eventually, I use the pivot table the data from the pivot table to do this, and I even did the slicers so that I filtered the data by going through selections, and you could see the dynamic example. Let's see. I want to see what represents the Middle East and North Africa. See, watch out. You see how all the charts change. It looks beautiful, right? And if I want, I can even choose another one so that it just right now I'm comparing two regions, Middle East and South Asia. Or I could just go by each meter, how many meters, the impact of the sea level rising by meter. As one, this is what we see. As I go to two, see that how it changed. Or I could just decide to choose more than one component and see what is given to me. So it's kind of cool once you know how to do the dynamic of slicers combined with the pivot tables, and that's how you clear it up. And the fourth sheet is about me doing a power view. Sorry, it just took long. But on this particular power view, I just decided to do the map things so that I'll put on the map all the data representation. And as right here, you could see this is representing the Middle East, and this is more East Asia, and you could see that it's the dot is there depending on the percentage, because I went by the percentage of agricultural area inundated by region. So this kind of look like the part of the world that it is receiving the biggest impact, plus somewhere in Middle East, North Asia data by 1 meter of sea level rising. And here I decided to go by the population affected by a million by region. So, and this is what I got. So you could see still in terms of population affected, still is East Asia getting the biggest spot, followed by Middle East and North Asia. And we have South Asia, and we have Latin American and Caribbean, the countries that are suffering more. And I go to the next one, and this one I decided to go by charts. So doing the power view, In here I just said that I have lines. See how it goes by from one region to another one, the impact. And you could still see, like we said last time, East Asia got the highest one, and it didn't lie. Or and here as well, I decided to go by agricultural area inundated, percentage of area inundated, and urban area inundated by region. And this is what we get into. So by columns. So to just show you the interest, the benefit of using on the Power View as well. And here I decided to go by bars. So watch, if I just want to see what's going on only on Latin American and Caribbeans, and this is the impact when I'm doing it. And this is I just backed up the data in case I'm doing something and I felt like it's not really good. What should I do? In case I don't want to mess up with the data, in case I was working with the client that sent me a specific data, I don't want to go back to the client like, oh, I messed up the data, can you send it back again to me? It won't look professional for me. So I'd rather just do this. But this time I want to take you step by step, and I want to go to new sheet with the same data and show you how I go by doing all that. So I'm gonna just do some quick examples. So first I decided I want to do the pivot tables. So first I go to new sheet because eventually I wanted to have a specific place. So now that I have this, so what do I need to do? I can just go by region, and what else do I need to see? I could just decide it randomly. Okay, I go by population directly affected, and these numbers are in millions. So, and watch out. I could edit the data, format it. I mean, go by number and reduce, because I want to just have a 2 decimals. So probably better. I want to go by 1. And then once I finish this, I do this. Okay, so I have this, and what I'm gonna just do pivot chart. So columns, not bad. So I'm gonna choose columns. So I did it, and what else I need to do? I'm gonna just create a new one because I want to do the dashboard. So now Control X and then just paste it right here. Then I will go back to my data again and then try to do again another. Now at this time I have an existence sheet, so I'm gonna just use this and then choose where I want it to be. So okay, let me just do it this way, and it's good. So this time again, what else can I do? Okay, I want to use region again, and area in percentage inundated. So I go by this, what else? Maybe I just want to do 2 things so that I could compare it by agricultural area in terms of percentage again. So once I have this, I could decide to do a combo where I could be like, I could decide like this might be my secondary. Either way, you could just choose which one you want, or this, I go like this. I want it to be my secondary axis. So see this one through, I take it here again, and then do this. And I just want to do this, and then let me show you quickly to do. I could just decide to do like a slicers, because it's so good to have it. So by region, just by region, see. And then I'm gonna do it by 2 columns. It's better for me like that way. And just make sure to connect all the pivot tables so that whatever you do, you can see. So basically that's what it is there. So yes, so if I wanted to do the power view, is just I have to take the data. I mean, not this one. Oh, I should have installed, do the option and bring it right here. But I'm running the time as I should be in the time frame of 10 minutes. So I'm already 11 minutes, so I'm gonna stop. But next time I might do a video to show you how to do the power view. So I stop right here. Thank you for watching.